In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Siteground cache, and we'll discuss when and why doing so might be beneficial. A site's cache is a collection of temporary files that help your website load faster by storing certain elements locally on visitors' computers. While this is incredibly useful most of the time, sometimes it's necessary to clear the cache to ensure that visitors see the most up-to-date version of your site, particularly if you've recently made changes or updates. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to Siteground's homepage by visiting their website, which is known for its exceptional web hosting services. On this page, look for the login button, which is typically situated in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your login credentials to gain access to your account. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Now that you're inside your Siteground account, the next step is to access your website's specific tools. To do this, click on My Siteground account, which will take you to a list of all the websites associated with your account. From here, identify the website you want to manage, then locate and select the Site Tools option next to it. This will take you to the toolkit for managing various aspects of your site. In the Site Tools section, look for the Speed tab, which you can find in the left-hand menu. Selecting this tab is your gateway to several features aimed at optimizing the performance of your site. One of the options here is caching, which is essential for the next step. Under the speed section, click on caching. This will reveal a new set of options specific to managing how your site's cache data is handled. What you'll want to focus on here is the dynamic cache, because this is where you can clear the cached data that's stored and presented dynamically to your site visitors. Once you've clicked on Dynamic Cache, Siteground provides you with the option to clear the cache with the click of a button. This can be a great way to ensure that any recent changes you made to your web pages are immediately visible to your audience. Clearing the dynamic cache is especially important if you've modified key elements like images, text, or even your site's overall layout, and want to make sure these updates are being accurately displayed. To summarize, clearing your Siteground cache is a straightforward yet powerful action that can enhance the speed and accuracy of your website. By following these steps, you ensure your visitors always see the most up-to-date content, making their experience smoother and more enjoyable while maintaining the integrity of your site's performance. Remember, timely cache clearing keeps your site running efficiently, so consider it a regular part of your maintenance routine. Happy managing,